Welcome to Lucky Draw project. The main motivation behind creating this platform was to provide user with low cost draw pool game. In this platform, user will choose a pool and purchase the ticket. At fixed interval of time, there will be a draw, and at every draw, the probability of winning will increase. It follows the game theory mechanism. So the last ticket will win the pool, and the tickets can be traded in the secondary market. As per demand, the value will increase. This is an example. So benefits of using Matic network is it is faster than normal Ethereum network, and it requires less or no gas, so transaction cost is negligible. Future scope could be to improve the random number generation algorithm using Chainlink VRF for randomness, and to provide support for DeFi lending platforms such as Aave to earn interest or yield on stored token in the pool. UI improvement is also a scope. Let's jump over demo. This is a ticket which buy period is already over. The price of ticket is 3 DAI and draw interval is every 2 minutes. So I am creating a pool. Using this form, one can create a pool. When someone click this submit button, one smart contract will get deployed to Matic network, and that will be the pool smart contract. There is a factory contract through which every pool gets deployed. I am filling this data. So I have filled the form. This is the NFT token name. This is the NFT token symbol. This is a ticket price in DAI. So there are two tokens supported, DAI and USDC. This is the NFT image which will get deployed to IPFS. When I'll click submit button, first this system will deploy this image to IPFS. So it is saying deploying to IPFS. After that, a transaction will come. So I have to sign this transaction to create the pool. You can see pool successfully created. So this is the test draw pool. This is the NFT image. So ticket price is 4 DAI. On every 1 minute there will be a draw, and a buy closes in 4 minutes. You can see you don't have any available balance. Please get some DAI using token faucet. So I am going to token faucet. I am getting some DAI from here. One time I can get 100 DAI. Yes, if you don't have Matic tokens, you can use Matic faucet. Same for USDC. So I'm confirming this one. So now you can see I have already claimed 100 DAI. So yes, I can go to the pool again. So now I am in the pool. There's no ticket buy yet, so there's no draw obviously. This is the NFT token which is deployed on IPFS. So now I have 100 DAI. So I can purchase the ticket by clicking submit button. So I successfully purchased 2 tickets. So next draw will start in 2 minutes 59 seconds. For this demonstration, I am showing with 2 tickets only, but in future it can be many more tickets. The draw count will based on the total tickets. It will be -1, so 2 minus 1. So there will be only 1 draw. I can buy more tickets if I want. So in 2 minutes 30 seconds I will show you. Now I cannot buy the tickets because buy period is over. So I can show you on the dashboard. Buy period is over. It is draw time. Anyone execute this draw function. The main idea was to use Chainlink VRF, verifiable random function. But as Chainlink VRF is not available on Matic right now, we are using block timestamp plus executor provided random seed. Whosoever will execute this draw will get 0.04 DAI. That is based on ticket price. 1% of ticket price on every draw the executor will get. I am executing this draw. Now you can see transaction is confirmed. So yes, it's processing. So winner number 2 is the winner. Congratulations, you have winner ticket. Please click below button to claim your prize. So I am claiming my prize. So ticket number 1 is not valid anymore. So yes, first transaction will be to approve ticket number 2, so that after successful claim the ticket gets burned, so that no one can call this claim function twice. Now I successfully claim my prize. You have already claimed your prize for ticket number 2. Ticket number 1 is not valid. So yes, the pool already closed. You can see the transaction on Mumbai Matic Explorer. I received 7.96 DAI for winning the pool, as 0.04 DAI was distributed to the executor for calling draw function. Yes, thank you.